Did you know that 98% of consumers search online to learn about local businesses before choosing one? For home care agencies, that means if you're not showing up on Google, families who need your help may never find you. Today, I'll walk you through what a Google Business Profile is, how to set it up, and why it's one of the most powerful tools to grow your agency. Google Business Profile, formerly known as Google My Business, is a free listing from Google that allows your agency to show up when people search for home care services in your area. Think of it as your digital storefront. It includes your agency's name, address, phone number, website, photos, reviews, and even updates you can post. When someone types in home care near me, your Google Business Profile helps you show up on Google Search and Google Maps, right where families are looking. Setting up your Google Business Profile is simple. Go to Google Business Profile, business.google.com. Create or claim your business. Type in your agency's name and address. If it's already listed, you can request ownership. Add your details. Enter your phone number, website, service area, and hours of operation. Verify your business. Google will usually send a postcard with a code to your address, or sometimes they'll allow phone or email verification. Optimize your profile. Upload high-quality photos, add a description of your services, and make sure your contact info is correct. This step is vital. Families won't trust an incomplete profile. A fully set-up profile looks professional and shows you're a credible, established agency. Here's why having a strong Google Business Profile is a game changer. Visibility. You'll appear on Google Maps and in the local pack of search results, which is prime real estate. Trust. Reviews build confidence. Families want to know that others recommend your care. Convenience. Potential clients can call you, visit your website, or get directions with one click. Competitive edge. Many home care agencies still don't optimize their profile. If you do, you'll stand out immediately. Local SEO boost. Updating your profile with posts, photos, and service details improves your chances of ranking higher when families search. A well-built Google Business Profile could be the difference between being invisible online or becoming the go-to agency in your community. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, Home Care Marketing Pros.